All right, this morning I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your taillight on your 2019 F250, and I think it's from 2017 to 2019. I'm not sure exactly how far it goes, but with the Automotive, and I don't have any backup sensors, I don't have any lane sensors, I don't have any of the good stuff on here. So these are just basic taillights with halogen bulbs, so I'll show you how to remove those. All right, in order to remove them, you just need a ratchet with a 5/16 socket. You just put it on there, and as you can tell, it comes out really well. It's only 2 bolts. Show you the back of the bulb so that you can see how many snap pins there are, and boom, there it comes out. All right, once you get those 2 5/16 bolts out, then you pull it out straight from the truck, and then these connectors, you push the pin in and pull it off, push the pin in, pull it off, and then push the pin on. Trying to keep these straight so I don't, and pull it off. So that's how you remove it. So it's very easy. You saw how long that took to remove it and pull the plugs off. So to reinstall the new one, it looks so much like the OEM, it's not even funny, and it seems to be manufactured the same way. So there you go, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna take it out of the packaging, and all right, so this is the Beam Track OEM, or not OEM, but aftermarket. And there's what, I don't know if you can see the difference, but they look like they were manufactured from the same molds. It even has the Ford part numbers on here. Yeah, so I don't know, maybe they manufacture them for Ford and Ford ships them in, but anyways, they're identical. And as you can see doing this, you saw how long it took to get it off. Then we'll just put these back on. If I can get it there. Oh, I had it backwards, sorry. Snapped on. Snapped on. Then you just push it back in there, straight in. There we go. Got to line all that stuff up, and look at that. Can't even tell it's been replaced. So this way, when you do it, you don't have to worry about, anyways. And then you just tighten these bolts back up, and that's how you remove and replace your taillight on F250, F350. All right, so that's how you remove, replace your taillight on your F250, F350. If this helps you out and you want to see other content like this, please subscribe, please like, please share. Do what you need to do, but I really appreciate it. So thank you, and have a great day.